Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, hope you had good Eid, good Ramadan. We're back again, alhamdulillah. You can see this is our season 2 with Nabil and Salman, NASA Vlogs. So we are here today at Markham and Ellesmere intersection close to Masjid al-Jannah, Shawarma City. They have a great history. They're known for their taste and they're known for the authenticity of their shawarmas. We're going to take you inside, inshallah, and tell you what Shawarma City is all about. Brother, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. How
Everything's
are you?
good.
Alhamdulillah. How's your Eid?
Eid was good. Nice. Enjoyed.
Trying out these shawarmas today, huh?
Yeah, you tell us.
Better be good. I didn't try them yet, so let's give them a try, inshallah. And
Were you informed about this place before?
yeah, I've heard about it, and I've heard good reviews about it, and they have a really high rating on Google as well. So let's see, inshallah.
Inshallah, let's see. Okay, so I have brother Muhammad Hassan. He's the owner of Shawarma City. Assalamu alaikum, brother Hassan.
Alaikum salam.
How are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Welcome to Shawarma City.
Jazakallah khair. Thank you so much. So how long you been here?
I've been here for 14 months now.
At this place,
At this
Markham,
place.
any other locations?
We just opened one in Mississauga.
Okay.
It operates under Al Jazeera supermarkets.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
By
right.
the name of Shawarma City.
Shawarma City joined with Al Jazeera supermarket.
Oh wow.
Yes.
And how did it come up with this concept?
Well, actually, it runs in the family. It's not the first time that we run the shawarma place. Actually, we have a history of shawarma stores. This started actually in Montreal about 45 years ago.
45 years.
Yeah, we opened the first shawarma store in Montreal in 1976 under the name Basha, and it still operates there. And when I moved to Toronto, I decided to join the same industry. So I opened Amir Family Restaurants. It's a dine-in Lebanese store on restaurants on Lawrence and Warden.
Okay.
That back in 2003. And in 2005, we opened the Beta Q locations downtown Toronto. We had 3 locations in downtown Toronto. And then we decided to, give us another a chance to start with Shawarma City. And alhamdulillah, after 14 months, we are competing with the big names in the city. And because we're not only actually given offering shawarmas, we're given services, experience, accumulated of 22 years of my own experience on the shawarma field. So I can teach people how to make shawarmas from A to Z.
And where do you get your chicken and beef from?
My chicken is from Sergeant Farm, and is the main supplier in Ontario anyway. It's hand slaughtered, and my beef comes from 2 sources: Al Zahra halal meat and Al Gadir halal meat.
Okay, very good, very good. So I see a different sauces you have layouts here. I haven't seen this type of before.
This is my signature. This is a spicy chili garlic sauce that we make here. And this is the regular garlic sauce that we also make here.
It's all homemade.
It's all homemade, all natural. Even my falafel actually is made here 100% from scratch.
Okay.
And I'm preparing right now a party platter.
Okay.
It's called party platter, family platter, gathering platter, and this is for my brother Salman's birthday. So it's gonna be a gift from me to you. So we're gonna start right now.
Okay, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, this is their famous family platter, which we're trying today. And this is their, I think this is nice, their special garlic sauce they have. I'm gonna try this. Nice garlic sauce. Let's start with the chicken, because I like chicken. Okay. I'm having shawarma Salman after a long time. Nice, well cooked, well made, well marinated. Nicely stuffed. Nice spices added to it. And I think their fries, they make They're like nice, crispy and crunchy. This sauce, I'm having after a long time. I think he's right. This is their own homemade sauce. It's like the ones you get in Saudi and other places. In Scarborough, the best and the most legit place to have a shawarma. Shawarma City.
I'm gonna be trying out their chicken shawarma as well first, and then I'll try the beef.
Brother,
shawarma.
by the way, I know it's a different ruling on birthdays. We don't celebrate. But you're cutting a shawarma here on your birthday, basically.
Yeah, it's a nice occasion.
Nice occasion.
And
you know I'm really picky about shawarma, so.
That's three for the man. If he approves it, khalas.
done.
That's it.
Done deal.
Because you always take
Bismillah.
a second bite.
Bismillah.
I'm gonna try the beef one also today.
Crispy.
It's very tempting and nice. Bismillah.
You gotta take a second bite. For sure.
This is this one, man. Without exaggeration, no.
Mashallah, it's amazing.
In Scarborough,
It truly brings back memories from Saudi.
exactly.
And,
Especially the sauce. Especially the sauce. I love this sauce.
and the shawarma, it's like perfect, like the balance inside it. There's not, too many vegetables. It's not like a wrap
Yeah.
or like a sub sandwich.
Yeah.
This is a Lebanese authentic shawarma, Bilad al-Sham. This is how it's done. We don't have to stuff it with a lot of veggies. You need to really enjoy and taste the meat. And the sauces has to be in accordingly. Exact amount should go there.
Balanced, well balanced.
Well balanced. Not too much, not too little. In order to really enjoy and
it's not even
taste the
spicy,
food.
but you can have it more spicier if you want.
Spicier, of course. If you like it spicier, we can add more spice, and we can replace this regular garlic sauce by the chili spicy one, which I'm gonna get you right now.
And I think
You can always enjoy the shawarma with a lovely mango juice right now.
yeah.
This is also imported from Lebanon.
oh wow.
Yes, sir.
So what's this? Is that pomegranate sauce? The one.
The pomegranate actually adds flavor to each and every shawarma. It can be added also to the salads, but not to the
Now
falafel.
you can tell we're vloggers.
Yes.
We figured out the sauce.
Absolutely, and that's great. He's really experienced. He loves his shawarma.
No, it's good. It's amazing.
Giving my review on the beef shawarma as well. To be honest, I don't really have beef shawarmas, but I gotta try this one. Their beef is really good too, mashallah.
So what are you enjoying the most? Are you enjoying the shawarma or are you enjoying your birthday?
I don't really celebrate my birthday, so the shawarma, makes it really nice. Actually.
It adds on.
Yeah.
So you want to try some Lebanese mango juice? It's called what? Extra. Is
Actually,
it?
the birthday is a remembrance of saying thank you to Allah that
Yeah.
gave you health. and
Alhamdulillah.
wealth, and it brought
Alhamdulillah.
you until this age. So nothing wrong with
Yes,
saying,
yes.
what? And this day I was born, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.
Alhamdulillah.
I'm here, I'm alive, I'm healthy, I'm eating shawarma.
What could be more better? You're getting man and salwa on your birthday,
Not
bro.
only that, eat healthy, live longer.
Khalas.
You eat healthy, you live happier.
It's a great sign.
Some fresh falafel right now.
The fresh
if you wanna take
falafel.
the
Yeah. Why not? Why not?
This falafel is always made from scratch, and you see, and as it's the customers demands falafel, we make it right away on the spot. We don't store falafel in fridges or anything like that, or frozen falafel. We use all the fresh falafel. And here we go. I'm making some falafel for you guys, so we can really crunch and enjoy. And
That's awesome.
perfect.
So this is nice. Look at it. It's nice, small, but it's a good place to come. And what are your timings?
We open from 11 to 11 Monday to Saturday.
11 to 11 Monday to Saturday.
Sunday from noon to 10 p.m.
Okay.
But caterings and special orders are always welcome on the phone.
Okay.
We prepare all the foods. We have skipped the dishes, Uber Eats and Face Dry DoorDash.
Okay.
But we would love to see the customers face to face, so we'd like to prepare the food before the customers. And we welcome all phone calls anytime.
Thank you.
647-345-1999.
We'll mention that on the screen. Mom, have you tried their spicy garlic sauce?
Yeah, their sauces are amazing, mashallah. They're really good.
Brother Muhammad Hassan, هذا 100%.
100%.
نعم.
It's made from the heart, not only with the hands.
Excellent.
You eat healthy, you live longer. You eat healthy, you live happier. Right, brother Salman?
Very good.
Sure.
Are you happy with the shawarma today?
Honestly,
That was amazing.
Welcome to Shawarma City anytime,
I was
any
actually
day.
talking to somebody like 2-3 days ago about good shawarmas, and today
I can't stop eating.
Alhamdulillah, you can. Alhamdulillah, after the hard work, that we went a long way. We're trying to keep ourselves on the top of the list. Right now, after 14 months and serving the community here in East Scarborough, I can tell you that Alhamdulillah, we are satisfied with the feedback. We're keeping it up, and we have lots of repeat customers. I have clients that come from as far as Brampton, Oakville, Oshawa, and they are satisfied. And you can see the reviews on Google, and you can tell that after 14 months we're doing very good. Alhamdulillah.
yeah, people should check out their Google reviews before.
Excellent.
Thank you so much. Yes, we're trying to always build that brotherhood relationship with the customers.
We used to travel to West End from shawarmas.
Absolutely.
Me and Salman, this is the first time we've had good shawarma in East End.
Shukran jazilan. Yes, thank you.
We don't go much to shawarma places. I think this is maybe our first vlog on shawarma.
Yeah,
maybe. This is our first vlog on shawarma, but you hit it. You nailed it. The best one.
Thank you.
So here's a promo for our audience. Starting tomorrow, you come here using our promo code. You buy anything worth $25. Guess what? You're gonna get one chicken shawarma free of cost. It's totally on the house.
Totally free.
Totally free. Mention our reference. Mention the promo. Enjoy the vlog. Enjoy the promo. Enjoy the shawarma. Enjoy the deal. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Stay healthy. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.